In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a mixed voronoi material. In order to create this teapot mesh, we must activate an add-on called Extra Objects. This is a plane, and I have rotated 90 degrees on the x-axis. Here are the full nodes, and I'll zoom in shortly. I have used two math nodes to amplify the mixed voronoi texture's unique effects. Let's change the settings to see what they would do. Let's adjust the multiply values. We can connect other material nodes like emission to create other interesting effects like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.